Hey, welcome back to Lemon Kun, your go-to destination for easy and delicious recipes. Today, get ready for a mouth-watering experience with our super thick strawberry smoothie. To start, grab your blender and toss in a handful of frozen strawberries for that burst of flavors. Next, add in a frozen banana to achieve the irresistible thickness. Add in chia seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Yogurt for that extra smooth texture. Now pour in your choice of milk, whether it's almond, soy, or regular dairy. The choice is yours. For a touch of strawberryness, drizzle in some honey or maple syrup to taste. Now let's blend it all together until it gets smooth and creamy. And there you have it, a delicious super thick smoothie ready to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Share the like and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending, keep smiling.